For over 1,000 years, an ancient secret has guarded its power. Introducing the time-honored, legendary Qigong exercise renowned for healing chronic illnesses, the Steelman Qigong. Countless has thought to replicate its magic, but none has unlocked its full potential. Witness the miracles it has brought into the life of many. Will you seize the chance to strengthen your body from within to stop the suffering from pain, fatigue, digestive disorders, insomnia, and all those sickness and illness? Join the legacy of genuine healing. Experience the unmatched power of our secret Steelman Qigong exercise, available online, virtual, and in person. Click the link below and register for this master training today.